Write the area A of an equilateral triangle as a function of the length S of the sides. So it might seem pretty confusing, but it is pretty easy. First, we gotta have a visual component to be able to understand better the problem. So we know that in an equilateral triangle, there are three sides. S, here we have it. Additionally, we know that the area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. So we don't have the height, but we are able to have the base. So to be able to have the height, we gotta use the Pythagorean theorem. So we gotta use S over 2 because we divided to be able to get H. So it will become something like this. It will be base, which is S over 2 squared, because the Pythagorean theorem is A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. Plus H squared, which is the height, is equal to S squared, which is the side. So S squared is S squared, then 2 squared is 4, plus H squared is equal to S squared. So we gotta isolate H because we're looking for it. So it will become H squared is equal to S squared minus S squared over 4. Then, because we gotta subtract, we gotta have the same denominator. So we gotta multiply this times 4, and we're gonna have the denominator also times 4, in which this will become 4s squared over 4 minus s squared. So 4s squared minus s squared will be 3s squared over 4. It will become h squared is equal to 3s squared over 4. So we gotta get rid of the square, so we gotta use the square root. So it will become h is equal to s square root of 3 over 2. Then we gotta use the area of the triangle. So now that we have h, which is the height, we're gonna do the base, which is s over 2 times the height, which is s square root of 3 over 2. This will give us s squared square root of 3 over 4. So this is where we answer the problem. Write the area A of an equilateral triangle as a function of the length S of its sides. So then our function is A is equal to S squared square root of 3 over 4. Thank you.